Hi educators. This video I'm going to talk a little bit more about Flipgrid, but excuse me, I'm sorry. We're going to talk about Flipgrid from the standpoint of actually recording responses so that you know kind of how it works so that you can jump into our weekly Flipgrid reflection. This is not required at all, but I just thought it would be really cool for us to have a chance to share ideas with each other as a district, but also so you can see how the kids can respond to topics that you give them in a grid if you create this. So I'm going to click on this link and it's going to take me in here. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Once I'm in now, this link, so this would be as if you were to share it in your Google Classroom. So just think of this, I was in your Google Classroom, you have that link in there and as assignment, I click on the link and it takes me out to this. This is the topic, so this is what it looks like. I'm a student looking at this topic right now. So here's the big idea, title of the topic. These are the questions I provided. Remember in the last video I showed you I typed in those questions. This is the video. I'll let you watch this on your own, but just so you can see what it looks like when I play it. Hello educators. Welcome to our Flipgrid. I wanted to use this tool. This is one of my favorite apps. Okay, so you can just kind of see what that looks like. Basically, I just talk about this stuff. But again, the kids like to see your face. They like to hear your voice. So I would encourage you to add videos. So the thing about Flipgrid is you're going to be able to see as a student everybody else's responses. So I have a couple responses in here already. So as a student, I can get in here and I can listen to Garrett's response.
Hey Chris, thanks for your question.
Okay, and then I can even get in here and if I click this guy here, I can respond to Garrett's question. Okay, and it's going to ask me, I need to open this up in the app so I can record a video. But this is an option for you to control in your options when you create your grid. If you want to allow students to respond to each other, you can do that. Basically, to record a response, it's this right here. It's not, I mean, it's fairly obvious, right? Big green button, I'm going to click that. And if I'm in my iPad, this doesn't do it on your computer. On your computer, it will just do it through Safari or Chrome or whatever you're in. But if I'm in my iPad, which I am here, it's going to ask me to open it in the app. So I open this in the app, takes me in here. And so this is what it looks like. So pretty self-explanatory, but you've got your record button here. You can flip it so I could look. I don't want to show you too much of that. That's my dishes I need to do. But I can cancel that out if I don't want that video. Start to record again. You push the record button here to record a video. You have some menus. You can add a video clip if you already have something recorded. You can record without audio, which I mean I might be useful, but I don't use that much. You can add different like images and whiteboard and things like that and emojis, and so there's all these different cool things that kids can do and they'll get super creative with it. You have a whiteboard that you can draw on. Okay, so you could use this for them to kind of walk you through some things, but it's all here. You click the record button and you can see it's timing me down so I can see how much time I have left. I have these options here so I can see the question as I'm responding to it. This one I can type in notes as I go, so there's all these different cool options. Ooh, that's sticky. I can type in text. Okay, different screen, cool things you can do. So there's all these different options of things that you can do, and the kids will get super creative. They love doing these type of things, but that's kind of what you do. So once you're done recording the video, then you need to push this guy here. You're not done yet. It's not posted. So record button. And what it's doing is it's letting me see the video in case I want to go back and redo it again. If I want to go back and redo it again, options here, I just see the question back and do it. If I like what I did, click here. And it's going to ask me to take a selfie, so I need to submit this. So basically, you can take a picture of yourself. You can hide your face. You can do whatever you want. You can even do images. You can drop in images. So you can do all that kind of stuff in it. But basically, take a picture. It's going to ask me, because I'm signed up for it, it has my name in there already. I can do a title. I can drop a link in there if I have information that I want to share. But once I'm done, click this submit the video. We'll see how fast this goes with my internet. Basically, you know what you're done when you see fireworks pop up here. Yeah, this is going to take forever. I'm not going to make you guys wait. But when I'm done here, it would show fireworks on the screen. So that's kind of what it looks like from a student point of view and to post videos.